guys, it's Maura. I just got back from my thrift haul for stuff for Poshmark and for my family, not just for Poshmark. But oh my gosh, I got like the best deals. Some of the things the lady probably wasn't supposed to give me as part of like the bag sale. But I asked her, I was like, hey, does this count? And she's like, yeah, we'll make it count or something. I was like, ee! So excited. So, men's jeans were not included. Not that I really shop for men's except for my dad, because I don't feel like they do that well on Poshmark, and I don't do eBay or anywhere else. But women's jeans counted, and I found some like high-waisted vintage style pants and shorts, and I found some vintage Tommy Hilfiger, which I was looking for since apparently that's like a really cool thing. I didn't know till recently. But yeah, I got 2 big garbage bags full, which is so awesome. And I got some BG or whatever it's called, black boots that are in pretty good condition, and because they were including boots also in the bag sale, which normally they don't include shoes that much. So I got those. So those are probably worth quite a bit. I found a dress that like comps were like $50. Because normally, around here, people don't have a ton of like, super expensive stuff. It's all like Cato's and maybe some Chicos and stuff like that. But, yeah, I'm really excited. So, I'm back home now. I was going to do like a thrift with me, but I got there late. They open at 10. And so I got there at like 10:20, and I was just like gonna go in. I was gonna do a little video and like kind of show you guys me going through the racks and all, aesthetic and all, but no, I was just getting in, and like, then I had my whole cart full. I hardly didn't put anything back. I was gonna go back through, look through everything, see if there's any stains, stuff like that. But really everything looked pretty good. So one thing does have a hole, but I'm just gonna sew it up. I don't think it's gonna be a huge deal, and it was really cute and like boho, so I'm gonna try to fix that. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. So in a second, I'll put in me going through everything. I'm going to put it up on my garment racks, which I actually got at Aldi's. They had them for $10, which I thought was a pretty good deal. I had already bought some of like the drying racks, because that's the only thing they had last time I went. And so I think I might take 1 or 2 of those back. I bought 3 because they first were $12 and they're marked down to like 6 the next time I went, so I bought 2 more. But I think I'm gonna take 1 or 2 back, because really what I wanted was a garment rack, but they didn't have them, so they have like a little, it's like a tree thing that has little hanger spots, which would be good if I needed to hang up clothes instead of drying them, but most of the time I just dry them. I don't buy a ton of dry clean only kind of stuff, or don't put in the dryer stuff, because most people aren't gonna go get stuff dry cleaned, at least in my opinion. I don't know if they do or not. If they're gonna buy stuff off Poshmark, are they gonna go get it dry cleaned? I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what all I got. So, first of all, I got a few like vintage type shorts. Let me like move this a little bit. So the first pair I got are Tommy Hilfiger, however you say it, which are pretty hot right now, like the vintage kind. So these are size 4. You can see the little Tommy Hilfiger part there. And then on the back, and they're just kind of plain white ones, but I think they're cute and they're women's. Next pair I got, now this brand I've kind of heard of. It's Z Cavarici, something like that. But they're just high-waisted. They have a little detail of the brand right there. And then also they have it written on the back pocket. So I thought that was pretty cute. Another pair I got are actually some vintage Lucky brand ones. And I think these are pretty cute. They have like orange thread detail. And then the back, they have the little Lucky brand symbol. And then they have like this little, I don't know, waist cincher, whatever you want to call that. But here's the tag on here. They're called dungarees, and they're a size 6. Hope that focuses. I have no idea. Okay, so there's my shorts. I did get a lot of jeans. I wasn't sure at first if jeans were going to count or not, because sometimes they don't. Men's didn't count. I think I said that earlier, but anyway. Here, my first pair is actually Tommy Hilfiger, so I actually had quite a bit. They even had some kids Tommy Hilfiger, but I didn't know that they would sell very well, so I didn't end up getting those. My kids' stuff doesn't always sell too great. But anyway, so here it is. Now they are pretty distressed and worn and all that. But then there it is on the back pocket. Kind of like cargo-y looking. No, maybe they don't have that little strap. I thought they did. Anyway, pretty cute. And what size were those? Maybe like a 6? Yeah, those are size 6. These pants I actually thought were really pretty. They are by the brand Cartier. See that part? And they are a size 8. And they just have like really pretty detail on them. They're very nice pants. They're pretty long. I'm not quite sure what the inseam is, but anyway. Unless it says no. But they're cotton and polyester blend. Okay, next pair I have. So I have, let's see, 5 pair of jeans up here. I have one more pair of jeans that I put back because I need to get a stain out of them. But they're just high-waisted ones, kind of like these are. So this first pair, these are Rough Riders. And I thought they were kind of cute. They have like this leather type detail. It is worn, but I like that it had 2 buttons and a zipper. And then the back is just kind of like that up your butt. I don't know what that style is called, but anyway, these are the same type like those are, but these are a pair of Wranglers, vintage Wranglers. Thought those were cute. I did have a pair in my closet that sold pretty well that were Wranglers. Here's a pair of Levi's. Levi's have been selling really good. And they're 505s, which is a popular number style. They were listed as 14-16, but I can't, like, kids. But I couldn't find a size inside on the tag, so I'm going to measure those and kind of go off of that. I thought they might fit me, so I was like, I don't think they're 14-16. But anyway, these are Jessica London. They are a kind of a jegging type of material. They're cotton and spandex, and then they have this nice black band. And they have cute little pockets on the butt. So, and those are a size 14, because I have noticed that a lot of plus size stuff is going pretty good for me. I guess 14 is considered plus size, yeah. And these, I think, are actually men's, but I might make them into cutoffs. They're also 505s. But as you can see, the style's a little bit different. To me, it looks like the men's kind. I'm not sure. I have to look that up. This is a baby fat, which I didn't even know they made scrubs. But scrub top, and I really love the stretchy side one, so that's actually for me. I'm not going to sell that one. This is a Ruby Road 2-piece set. It has capri bottoms, and then it has a little jacket with a little hook and eye right there. And there is a stain on the pants, so I got to try to get that out first. But it's a size 10 2-piece set, and I thought that was really cute. And this dress is actually apparently worth quite a bit of money. It's Title IX, and it's just like a workout dress. There is a stain down here I'm going to try to get out. But it's got a really cute little pocket that you could put whatever in. It's like a workout dress. Next one is this boho Angie's dress. I just love this design and everything. I think it may be like a medium or large, so it might be too big for me, but I'm going to try it on and see, because this is my style. This jacket I thought was really cute. It's a large petite by Allison Daly. I don't know her, but it's like houndstooth. It's got a really nice looking zipper and stuff like that. There's a couple pulls on here I might try to thread back through. Or obviously just put it in the description. Next, this really cute off the shoulder top. It's from Cato's and it's a large. I love this look. I wish it was smaller. I would definitely wear it. But yeah, I thought that was really cute. Next, since overalls apparently are really popular right now, I got these corduroy long pants overalls. They're by Carolina Colors. No idea. They say size medium, but they're actually like pretty big. They would be very long on me, but I'm kind of short. So Anyway, there's that. Really cute, like, overall dress. I think I'll list it as like an extra small. I gotta do some measurements on it. It is a kid size 14, but like 14, 16 and girls, sometimes I could even still fit in, and I really wear like a medium, so sizing's weird. I think it would probably be like a small or extra small. And then here's this dress that has a cute like little daisy flower on it, and it's got flowers on the bottom. So that's just like a little jumper. Probably my favorite find today is this like Western crazy 80s shirt. It said it was made in Dallas, Texas. I love the button detail. I love the like little keyhole there, and that's long sleeves, and it's pretty cropped, I'd say. And last thing, I got this jacket for my dad. It's a Champion jacket. This is the thing, I didn't know if it was going to count for the bag sale or not. But it's lined. It's got really nice pockets. It even has like the little deals to make the inside smaller. And it's like slicky but kind of soft at the same time. It's like wool, waterproof. Oh, cool. So you can hang stuff inside. There's like a little pull tab thing in there. So basically, that's pretty much everything. If you guys have any questions or want to know anything about my thrift hauls, just comment down below, and I will put down below my Poshmark closet if you guys like any of this stuff and want it, or want to see what else I am selling. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.